robot cover, then press the dustbin clip to remove the dustbin. Open the dustbin cover and dump rubbish. Remove the filter and tap it basket gently. It is not recommended to wash the dustbin frequently. Only clean water should be used to clean the filter. Do not use detergent. Keep it in a well-ventilated or cool place for at least 24 hours. Press the two release clips on the side of water tank. Remove the mopping module and pull the mop pad off the mopping model. Pour out the water in the tank. Clean with water only. And leave to air dry before reinstalling. Press the brush guard clips inwards to remove the brush guard and lift the brush out of the robot. And use the included cleaning tool to remove any hair tangled on the brush. Pull out the side brushes. Please use a soft cloth to clean all sensors. Do not use wet dishcloth to prevent damage caused by water.